Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. This is Ram Sudhakar. Today we are going to learn about the jigsaw puzzle and the moving plates and how the seafloor is spreading. And next one it is volcanoes. Okay, first we'll discuss about jigsaw puzzle and moving plates. We already learnt about continental drift theory, which was proposed by Alfred Wegener. You already learnt in the last class about continental drift theory. So now, plate tectonic theory. What is plate tectonic theory? What describes about that? How the continents are moving. Understand? So let us discuss about. After years of careful study, geologists have concluded that all the continents and oceans are actually situated on the massive basic rocks called as plates. So how many plates are there? There are 7 major plates and several minor plates also on the Earth's surface. So what are that major plates? African plate and North American plate and South American plate, Indo-Australian plate and Arctic plate, Eurasian plate and Pacific plate also there. So what are the minor plates? Nazca and Arabian plates. So these are minor plates only. Okay. Do you know, children, where the plates are float? Actually, these plates float on the mantle. They are constantly being pushed and therefore keep moving slowly. They move slowly that we can't feel the movement. Understand it is Earth also rotating and revolution also there, but we can't see that and we can't feel also there. Because of that, atmosphere also rotating along with this and revolving also. That's right. Similarly, this is also the plates also moving slowly and float on the mantle. Understand it is? So what happened and how it is there? The movement, as a result of this movement, one plate pushes another neighboring plate. This reason where the two plates meet and push each other, a lot of pressure is exerted by each of them on the other. One plate is pushed under into the mantle while the other plate is pushed up to form a chain of mountains. The movement of plates is called as plate tectonics. Understand it is? In this process, earthquakes are occurred and volcanic eruptions are occurred and seafloor spreading also there. Sometimes formation of drift valleys and mid-oceanic ridges. So these are all formed along with this. Understood? So do you know about tectonics? So what is that word tectonics? The tectonics come from the Greek word tecton. Tecton means, what is the meaning? Carpenter or builder. Understood? It is related to the Sanskrit word takshan. Takshan means in the Sanskrit also the carpenter only. Do you understood? Right. Geologists studying the earth crust and discovered that some of the oceans like Pacific Ocean, there are mid-oceanic ridges or ranges are there. So these are formed by lava rising up from the mantle. The eruptions on the ridge creates a new ocean floor made of basalt rock. Understood? Then spreads the laterally from the ridge, thus that mid-oceanic ridges contain the newest crust formed on the Earth planet. Do you know that? Which is the newest Earth crust formed on the our Earth planet? Mid-oceanic ridges only. Understood that? This fresh crust is being slowly pulled away from the ridge, widening the ocean basin. So this is only called as that seafloor spreading. Okay, right? Do you know that our Deccan Plateau and Himalayas, so these are also formed by this kind of activity, means plate tectonic movements. Understood now? So Indian plate means Deccan Plateau move towards to the northeastern direction and pushes the large Eurasian plate, and at the same time Himalayas or Himalayan mountains are evolved at the time. It take a lot of time, not 1 day or 2 days. Understood now? Just imagine that there are 4 stages there, how the seafloor spreading. Understand? In that stage 1, due to the warping and stretching of the continents, continental cracks due to the pressure of conventional currents. This is stage 1. Another one, it is stage 2. In that stage 2, some of the rift valleys, formation of the rift valleys. How it is formed that? The rift valleys, the cracked portion of the crust collapses to form the rift valley or depression only. Look at this picture. Okay? And next one, it is, observe the stage 3. In this only mid-oceanic ridges are formed. Okay? See that oceans take the place of depression, still the magma keeps rising to form a cracks or fault. In this manner, mid-oceanic ridges are formed in that. And next one, it is present form of the ocean is, you can see in this stage 4. Understand? మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.